Hey everyone, let's talk about the Skope Bino harness. This is the new Skope Bino harness. It is incredibly comfortable, nice and easy to pull your binos out. Just pop that tab over this hook. Binoculars are out just that easy. So if you like to tether your binoculars, that's an option. You can tether these to secure, so if you do bend over, your binoculars are not going to fall out. For me, I do not like to tether them to my harness just because I do like to put these on a tripod, and I've had pretty good luck with this. I haven't had my binoculars fall out or open. It's nice and secure enclosure, so that shouldn't be something you have to worry about. What I like about this harness is that it's got a ton of storage in here. I'm a guy that tends to carry too much stuff. My friends will vouch for that. What I like about this front end here, you can carry your battery bank, your Bluetooth shutter remote, the Bino Bandit if it's off your binocular for some reason. If you're going for a stalk or something like that, where you're going for a quick little hike away, you can throw some snacks in there or whatnot. I know you can get a trail mix bar, protein bar in there if you want. On these side pockets, I like having those there. If you're archery hunting or muzzleloader, I like to keep my wind detector in there. On this side, you can keep a flashlight or a headlamp, anything like that. It is big enough to hold those items. What I really like about the top, Alaskan Guide Creations did a great job for us on this, is it's large enough that I can slip my phone into the top of here and it's secure. I hike around all the time with my phone in the top of this Bino harness with zero issue. And it's got two sleeves, so you can slide one in there, and I like to keep my Skope binocular attachment right here in the top of this. So if I'm in a situation where I need to pull out my binos and then attach my Skope to, I've got my optic adapter right here. I can attach it and I'm ready to go. It's incredibly comfortable, like I said, guys. What I love about the back of this is there's just not a lot of material. It's just nice thin webbing. It really is secure to wear. And when you're wearing this with a backpack, it's super comfortable. You barely even notice it's there. It rides really well. I like that there is no stretchiness to it, so if you are climbing, jumping, whatnot, you're not gonna have to worry about this bouncing all around. Check one out at phoneskope.com or our local retailer. If you have any questions, drop me an email, support@phoneskope.com. If you'd like to talk to an actual person, give us a call, 800-790-4480. Make sure you like this video and comment below if this video was helpful for you. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.